Particle size is a common quality control parameter measured by laser diffraction or image analysis. Anton Paar's respective instruments, Litesizer DIF and Litesizer DIA, offer fast, accurate, and reproducible measurements. In routine quality control environments, high sample throughput is equally important. To increase throughput, both Litesizer DIF and Litesizer DIA can be operated with the Litesizer Autosampler. Litesizer Autosampler allows for fully automatic sequential measurement of up to 60 samples and is compatible with dry and liquid dispersions. As a collaborative robot, Litesizer Autosampler does not require safety fencing, resulting in a very small footprint. Operation is fully integrated into the Litesizer family software, Kalliope. Click the New Measurement button in Kalliope's home screen and choose Autosampler. Add a predefined amount of sample in a vial and place the vial on the rack. If the sample amount is too high, the system can automatically dilute it before the measurement. The autosampler can process both dry and liquid samples. Click on the respective vial position in the graphic representation of the rack, and then fill in the sample name and select a predefined method. For faster definition of repetitive samples, you can also use the tabular representation of the rack, allowing you to copy predefined lists from other programs, like for example Excel. After loading all the samples and defining the vial positions in the software, start an automatic sequence of measurements by a single click of the button. During the measurement, Litesizer Autosampler will add the sample to the dispersion unit in the right moment. The vibrating gripper, in combination with adjustable pouring angles, allow optimal sample transfer. For liquid dispersion measurements, the predefined method could include customizable vial rinsing. Vial rinsing ensures the sample is completely transferred to the sample tank of the dispersion unit, even for strongly sedimenting samples. A new vial can be added even during an active run. The order of the measurements can be modified anytime as well, to give priority to urgent samples. As soon as a single measurement is finished, it can be analyzed, exported, compared, and reported individually.